approximately 45 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are very welcome on board this RyanAir flight. May we have your attention while the cabin crew point out some of the safety features on board this Boeing 737-800 series aircraft. On this aircraft there are 8 emergency exits, each of which is marked with a red exit sign. Floor path markings running along the cabin aisle will illuminate in darkness and guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. There are 4 main doors, 2 at the front, 1 left and 1 right, 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 1 left and 1 right. There are 4 overwing exits in the centre of the cabin, 2 left and 2 right. Please note the nearest exit to you, which may be behind you. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle. To secure, pull on the loose end of the strap, and to open, lift the buckle cover. In the event of a sudden loss of cabin pressure, individual oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel above your head. If this happens, remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask using the strap, and adults travelling with young children, please attend to your own mask first. Your life jacket is stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or panel above your head. In the unlikely event of landing in water, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist and clip at the front of the jacket as the crew are now demonstrating. To secure, pull on the loose end of the strap. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the cabin, as to do so will impede your exit. Further information may be found on the in-flight safety card, which is displayed within the area you are seated. Your captain invites you to read this card carefully before departure. Before departure, we would ask you to ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray table is in the upright and locked position, armrests down and window blinds fully open. Laptop computers and electronic devices may be used on board, but only when airborne and after the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Use of satellite phones and two-way pagers is not permitted at any time. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank you for your attention and wish you a pleasant flight.
seats for departure.